In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit legend text in an Excel and PowerPoint chart. This is a straightforward yet essential skill for anyone looking to polish their presentations and make their data visuals clear and effective. We'll walk through this process together, one step at a time, ensuring you're confident and capable of making these edits seamlessly. To begin, fire up PowerPoint on your computer. PowerPoint is a key tool in your arsenal for crafting polished presentations, so having it ready is our first crucial step. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the presentation you're currently working on. If it's a new project, this is where you'll be creating a new slide or selecting an existing one with the chart you've added. Next, locate the graph you need to edit within your presentation. You should see the chart icon or section displayed clearly on your selected slide. Click on the graph to highlight it. This act of clicking ensures that PowerPoint knows precisely which part of your presentation you're aiming to modify. Once your graph is selected, the next step involves a simple right click on the graph itself. This action opens a context menu, offering a variety of options related to your chart. From these options, look for and click on Edit Data. This selection is pivotal because it bridges PowerPoint with Excel, the primary tool where our in-depth data management takes place. Upon choosing Edit Data, Excel will open up, providing a detailed view of the datasheet behind your graph. Here, you'll see the underlying data and labels that PowerPoint uses to populate your chart. To change a legend's text, direct your focus to the label that corresponds to the particular part of the chart you're aiming to update. Carefully click on the cell with the label you wish to change and type in your new text. Keep in mind that clear and concise legend labels are key to ensuring your audience immediately understands what each part of your graph represents. Always aim for clarity over complexity in naming. After you've made your changes in Excel, simply close the spreadsheet window. Don't worry, Excel automatically saves these changes to your PowerPoint chart, so there's no need for any extra saving steps. By closing the Excel window, you return to PowerPoint to see your updated chart with the newly edited legend text in place. Remember, taking the time to edit legend text not only enhances the professional appearance of your presentation, but also significantly improves the accessibility and effectiveness of your data communication. And with these streamlined steps and clear explanations, this process can now be a quick and easy part of your presentation preparation. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these instructions helpful and empowering in your future presentation endeavors.